Hello, in this video I will tell you how you can show the form in a pop-up. Like here you can see when I click on this button I see a form. So I will tell you how you can make the form show when you click on a button, or maybe you just want to show the form in a pop-up. When a user open the website, you may want to show a pop-up after 10 seconds. So in this video I am going to use Elementor Pro, and for that you can go to elementor.com/pricing plugin, and here you can see the prices of the plugin. You can get it for one site for $4.92 by month or $59 for a year. I have this agency plan where I have 1000 licenses, so I am using this plan, and let me just close it. So let's move forward with the video. To create the pop-up, you need to go to templates and you need to click on pop-ups, and here you can click on add new template and select pop-up over here, and here you can write any name, and now you can click on create template. Here you can use the form widget and drag it over here, and here you can style this pop-up. So I will add a black color in the background, and here you can see currently we have 3 fields: name, email, message. We can add new fields. And we can also add reCAPTCHA. You can use version 3 or maybe the default version. So I will use version 3, and you can click on publish. Here you can add the display conditions. So I want to show it on the complete website, and here go to trigger. So if you want to show the pop-up after a few seconds, you can just turn it on, and you can add 10 seconds or the time after you want to show the pop-up, and you can just click on save. So now this pop-up will automatically show when we go to the website. We can maybe add some kind of offers at the top using some text. So let me visit the website, and here you can see the pop-up. Now let's see how we can add this pop-up on a click. So when user will click on a button, then he will see the pop-up. So let's visit the page, and here by the way we can just disable this trigger, so we can only show the pop-up on a click. And let's go to the home page. Here you can edit the page, and here you can add the button on which you want to show the pop-up. So let's click on this button, and here you will see something like this, and you can click on this dynamic tag button, and here you can scroll down. Here you can select pop-up and click on this pop-up over here. Here you can search for the pop-up name. So I will search test pop-up. So let me just save and go to the page. I will clear the cache so there will be no issue. So here when we will click on this button, we will see the form. So that's how you can show the form in a pop-up.